In this video, you learn how to add variables to a prompt template. I'll show you three kinds of variables: basic, default value, and drop-down menu. You can create up to 6 variables per prompt if you're on the AIPRM Pro plan. First, let's look at a base case. A pet store owner uses ChatGPT to write messages for her monthly email marketing campaigns. Here's a prompt template. It looks good, but there are some problems. Every month, the store owner has to copy and paste the template text and then manually change the month. The same thing goes for the discount rate. Even worse, she has to change the animal type because her email list has 4 segments: one for cats, one for dogs, and other animals. Variables can solve that problem and save time. Here's the basic variable. Go to the prompt template field, insert a unique variable name like variable 1. At the end of the text, repeat the variable name and add a label like pet, and then save. I keep the prompt variable because it's used to enter a product line. When the user picks this template, AIPRM adds a new field called pet. The user enters a pet type, like cat, and the text for the product line prompt. ChatGPT adds the variable data to the content. Repeat the steps to add more variables. In this example, I added 2 variables to replace static text for discount type and month. You can also insert a default value. Go to the variable label and find the end of the text. Insert a colon and enter the default value. In this example, I added a default value for the discount type and pet type. Here's the result. The text input field shows 2 values, which the user can change. Here's the last option. Replace a blank variable field with a drop-down menu. Enter a vertical line and the next menu item. Add more items, each separated by a vertical line. And here's the result. The user clicks the field to display the drop-down menu. That's it. Now you know how to add variables to a prompt template field.